guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be short because it's literally almost 7 o'clock at night. I've been working all day and I also shipped out 2 plants today, which is really exciting. Somebody bought a Monstera Albo and someone else bought a Hoya Serpens. Before we get started, I wanted to show you some of the other plants that I currently have listed at Palace of Propagations on Etsy, just in case you're in the market for any. This little Monstera Albo is literally my favorite plant that I have listed on my shop. I swear every time it puts out a new leaf, I contemplate taking it down and keeping it for myself because it's just so promising. Like, this is going to turn out to be such a beautiful plant. It's rooted extremely well. I love a Monstera Albo. This one is also fenestrated, well, has a fenestrated leaf, which kind of takes a while if you have a juvenile plant. I also have some Hoya obovata listed on my shop for sale as well. I think I have a few of them listed. I also have some philodendron mammii listed. Can you hear outside? It's so loud, but the window's open because it's 85 degrees. And lastly, I'll show you this Hoya pubicalyx that I have listed. It's just a regular schmegular little Hoya pubicalyx. It looks a lot more full than it does in the pictures because I don't think I've updated the pictures on my shop yet. Or in my shop yet. Those are just a few that I have listed currently, and I will be listing a lot more plants in the upcoming months, so make sure you're following me on Etsy at Palace of Propagations. I really want to repot my Monstera Albo, and this is my producer Albo is what I call it. Well, I guess it's a mother plant, but this Albo produces a lot of little babies for me, and I've always chopped from this plant to get every other Albo that I have right now in my collection. But today we are going to repot her because I think that plant has been in that pot. Ooh, I'm so bad with time, but it's been in that pot for a while. It just hit me in the eye. Okay, so it's kind of hard to show on camera, literally up under it, but it's in this ceramic pot right here. Oh my God, it's super duper heavy. Ow! So we're working with a lot here. A lot. We have a new leaf coming out. There are so many aerial roots, but it's been a long time, and Monstera roots are pretty chunky, so I'm pretty sure it's root bound. Let's just chop this off first because it's kind of in the way. Got my handy dandy scissors. I'm holding the pot with my thighs, and it's taking a lot of breath out of me, but I'm just going to chop it right. Oh! I thought I broke something. I'm gonna chop it right here. There's one little node right here. I think it'll be okay though. I'm gonna chop right down here. So we're back to this, and this is what I've chopped off of it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4.5 leaves coming out. So like where that long aerial root is, I'm gonna chop right under that, like that. And like, I could chop it again. I could chop it again right there, but I don't know if I want to. Should I? Or should I put it into a pot and put it onto a moss hole? That would actually be really smart. I've done that a few times with some Monstera and they've grown really beautifully that way. And then we have this contraption going on. Just way too much going on right there. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this, like at all. I think I'm gonna have to cut this node individually and plant it by itself. And then I'm gonna cut that excess off. And I'm going to take this chalk. I have a few propagating like this right now. I'm gonna have to make like a prop box or something because I have so many individual propagations and I need to condense them because it's becoming a lot. There's literally 3 aerial roots right here, 1, 2, and 3. So I think I'm just going to take it by, I didn't want it to fly, but whatever. I'm probably gonna stick this one like this. Yeah, not like that, probably like that somewhere. This is so strange. I think I might stick it into the substrate this way, or maybe this way. I don't know, but it's a good little node. Look at how much variegation that has. I cannot wait to see this grow. I'm gonna let these callus for a little bit and then we'll put them into some sphagnum moss. We're gonna be using my DIY pond that I made my last video, I think. First, we're gonna take the pot. Oh my God, hold on, because the moss pole is touching the wall. Ah! Okay. Ugh. Oh my God. Just do it, April. Oh my God. Oh, shit. I just watered it today, so there's water leaking out of it, but how am I gonna actually dump this? This is really heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. I don't like this anymore. What is happening? Okay. Yo, I'm gonna end up smacking my camera down. Oh my god, so many things on the floor. Oh my god, I can't do this. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's try this again. I'm scared. Ew, I think it's very, very root bound. Just so, let me show you maybe. Super duper root bound in there. Thank God I watered it today because you know how like with the ceramic pots it gets stuck on the edges, the roots? I would have been so mad if that happened. But anywho, how am I gonna get it out? Oh, okay, we're done with that. I'm not trying to break any roots, but golly. God damn. Oh my god. Looks like it's coming out though. Ugh. Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. Ooh! We lost some roots, but we got the substrate from my DIY pond video, my most recent one. And I already put some in here from the pot that it came from, so I think I'm just gonna leave it. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave it and dump this in here. Let's dump it. Hopefully we have a stable moss pole when this is done. Because that moss pole has never been stable. It's always been crooked, but I think it's because it's broken in the bag. Oh well. Oh! Okay. Yay, that was actually perfect. I've been wanting to repot this plant for so freaking long. And I'm so happy I finally did, and it's in a plastic pot. Definitely not stable, but it'll do, donkey. It'll do. But I have my water, and I'm just gonna dump it in. This was so much easier than I thought it would be. Hold on, so you guys can see. Oh, bloody. Usually when it's like that, I'll hold it up and then pour more substrate in. But I'm gonna dump this back here. Ew. There's juicy roots in there. Oh, there's more. But see, it stays. Okay, we're moving on to propagations. And we have quite a few. This one's going on a moss pole and I can't wait. I'm gonna order some moss poles probably tonight. So I can just stick this into one. It's just gonna be so satisfying. So I'm actually gonna, what should I do with this for now? Should I put it in here? No, that's too big. All right, since I'm gonna order the moss poles soon, I'm just gonna stick it in here. I'm just worried about that little root because it's already touching the cup, but you know what, whatever. Literally have 1,000 Albo. Okay, I think this is okay for now. There's like no variegation on this one, but the stem is mildly variegated. Don't know if you can see it, but I swear to God it is. This one has no variegation on the stem, but variegation on the leaf. So they have these little stems that point straight down, like that. I have some that are already propagating that way, these two Albo props. Literally just going to take it by the arrow root. Oh, that was easy. And then stick this one in like that. Oh my God, how freaking easy. And they're super secure. Like what? Okay. But that does bring me to the end of today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mother of Plants, on Etsy at Palace of Propagations. And until my next video, bye guys. Need some milk. Some of the other plants. What was I even talking about? Do I have ADHD? We're moving and grooving. What was I doing to? What was I gonna say? I think I may have ADHD. Anyways, it kind of takes a long time if you have a plant with, I don't know, oh my gosh. There's literally 3 Anyway, there's more. With the French toast, that was easy.